Back in the paint shop, the supercharged FN2. Keith's making some repairs before we start painting. How's it going, Keith? I thought I'd check in now, because if I don't, it'll be half done by the time I get here again.
It already is.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. To be fair, though, right, a man of your talents, this is actually the hardest part of the job, ain't it? This is the hardest work. And people, like I said in the previous video, people don't understand. Yes, you do.
It's easy.
It's dead easy, dead easy. But people don't understand. They see a car beforehand, and then they get it painted, and then it's painted. It looks amazing, but they don't see the amount of effort that goes in to actually getting the finish that is required. Yeah. I can see you repairing a few, dents.
It's tidy. I mean, there's a few dents in it, like there would be anything, isn't there?
Yeah.
So we just go around, repair the dents. We'll try and get a bit of primer on it, and then we'll carry on tomorrow.
Mm. Well, I'm sure he's going to absolutely love the colour, seeing as he chose it. And hopefully we'll get big smiles.
Was he picked the colour, I think?
He has picked a colour, yeah. Oh, look at that. What a class car this is. Tell you what, Keith, this is a quick one, you know. A quick one. It's 427 brake horsepower in an FN2.
It's not going very fast right now.
But anyway, that's a completely other video, and you can go check that one out. But yeah, all right, Keith, I'll come back in a bit. Well, we got some primer on. Keith, I often see this, the black bit. Do you want to explain exactly what that does? People might be interested.
Well, they might not.
They might not be interested.
Guide coat. So basically, when you flat it, as you flat it, the imperfections will show themselves. And then you keep flattening until there's no black, and then the imperfections are gone. So you imagine if there's a scratch there, you'll flat it.
Yeah.
And there'll be a black bit where the scratches, won't they?
Oh, all right.
And then if you keep flattening,
Is that your favourite part of the job? Okay, well there we go.
And then when the black's gone, the panel's flat. You get what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, beautiful.
So if there's an inward dent, you'll see it, or if there's something out,
yeah,
it'll highlight itself. You get what I mean? Just it's a visual aid, because you can just chuck a pad on the DA. Yeah, there you go. That looks great.
Visual aids.
But you don't know, do you? Same thing. You can't see it, can you?
Yeah, excellent. So what's next?
Next current. I've just got to spend the next day flattening all that down.
Really? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I take the tailgate, we're going to take the tailgate off, aren't we? Take the doors off this as well.
I believe so.
You're going to get it so it's like a not a bare.
I know what you mean.
I say a bare shell, but the shell,
yeah.
And then we'll prep the shell and paint the shell.
Yeah.
So we're probably going to take the doors off, the tailgate off, get them out of the way, and then just concentrate on what's left, which is the actual car.
Yeah.
So it'll be roof, quarters, wings, and then we'll get that painted.
Has it had a little repair up front? On top of the roof?
The usual rusty, not too bad, but just a little bit of rust on there.
Yeah.
So they've all got a bit of that, ain't they? Some worse than others, but.
So I'll come back when it's in some form of primer.
Yeah.
Okay. Here he is. What's next, buddy?
Stick the tape all back on that's falling off.
Oh, that's quality tape.
Yeah, it's doing well, isn't it?
Right. So a bit of colour.
Yeah. Well, this is the ground coat.
Okay.
Base coat, primer. Because it's going yellow, it's got to go white.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's definitely that at the moment.
Nah, that looks yellow. That'll do. Yeah, that's yellow.
There's a bit more yellow in that gun.
Yellow. Waistcoat.
Door,
Yeah.
bonnet.
You have to get it up to a white uniform.
Yeah.
Put the yellow over because yellow won't cover over. Like if it's a black patch, it won't cover. You'll see a black patch.
I think we got that. We got that. What we hit? This door.
We got that. Yeah. Show it. Show it.
Hit it. People love to see a bit of ready. Play with your nib.
Oh.
Well, that's yellow.
Woo.
That's glorious, ain't it?
We're doing a little bit different with this one. Although we've got the panels off, we've done the shut, as in where you open the door that's yellow, but we opted to leave the inside, because it's black, to leave the inside black, so it masks the inside off.
Yeah, that's because the inside of the car is a separate colour
Yeah,
from
that's right.
original,
And
so
it's a
yeah.
track car and it's all, so
Yeah. So it's not going to have any of the skids on the
No.
inside and stuff.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Although it is having some beautiful carbon door cards
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
inside.
that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Well, that looks amazing. So how many coats of yellow does it get?
just two. So I'll do the same on the door and the bonnet. We give it 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we just same again.
Yeah.
Another coat, job.
It already looks incredibly shiny.
Job done.
Yeah.
That's it. This is 2 packs, so this will dry.
Shiny.
Shiny, dry, shiny.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Thanks, Keith.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, it's lovely and warm in here. That's pretty yellow, Keith.
They're a bit bright, aren't they?
Pretty yellow.
Is that what colour?
He wanted yellow, didn't he?
Do you want it? Oh, he might be happy with it then,
Yeah.
might he, when it comes to
I hope
picking it up?
so, because it's pretty yellow. This one's really coming together now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's gonna look awesome.
I've just got wheel arch trims, sill skirts, handles, mirrors. There's so many bits on this.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to showing off the fuel filler cap in canary,
Ooh,
in canary black. That's what we're calling it, aren't we? Canary black. Right, okay, I'll see you in a bit.
We need some sunshine for that though.
Sunshine needed. Well, it's been emotional, but the yellow supercharged boosted banana is finally on its way. And I'm just going to have a quick walk around and show you off. Look at that. That is stunning. There's our Jeno. He's really enjoyed this one. If he could get out. It's been loads of fun doing this one. It's been especially nice, and I'm really proud of the whole team for everything that's got into it. As you guys know, if you watch the YouTube channel, it came in as a bronze NA Fn2 and leaves as a pretty much a spoon yellow supercharged boosted K20 running lots and lots of power. But for the purposes of this video, yep, that's very yellow. Very yellow indeed. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you need something painted, give us a shout at Uncle Keith's Paint Shop, and we'll see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.